Morning.
Morning. So early morning start. It's 20 to 7 now. We're just leaving San Antonio. Both still a little bit jet lagged, so we woke up quite early. Had a good night's sleep though, and we're gonna head towards Houston now. About an hour up the road. We're gonna stop for breakfast at a Buc-ee's again. See you later.
Many months later, still going. Top Gun Maverick, number 1 in America, 3 here, 2 in the UK, DC League of Super.
Our second Buc-ee's, gone for the extra large coffee. That just went regular.
Small.
Small.
I'm having an extra large soda.
We would show you the food that we had for breakfast because it was absolutely delicious, but we were that hungry we just troughed it. We forgot to film it. Never mind. Anyway, leaving Buc-ee's in a sec, heading towards Houston. Another couple of hours up the road. We've just got to Houston. We found a little picnic spot because we were early, so thought we'd have lunch. Picked up a salad at another Buc-ee's that we stopped at on the way. Yeah, this is where we are. NASA's just over there somewhere. We're going there tomorrow. Oh, fish jumping. Fish jumping out of the water. This is lunch, what we're about to have. Nice healthy salad because we haven't had much green stuff since we've been here. You know, it's just a pleasant looking area. What say you?
Very nice, apart from I've been bit behind me. Leg. Back of my knee.
This is the hotel we're staying at in Houston. Right opposite the water, over the other side there. We're going to have a explore now, see what's in the area. She's having a beer, middle of the day.
All the way over there on them little stilts are pelicans. Dan has got his camera.
Not very posh.
Yeah, it's okay.
Bit of beard porn. Beard, paving on beard.
And
You put in the background.
I don't think that is.
What is it? It's skyscraper.
Mm. And over here there is some other birdies just on the rocks. I can't quite make out what they are, so we'll see what are on Dan's pictures. But we've just come to a little tiny park, just off the coast.
Hello. This is the hotel we're staying in. Kemar, Edge
Water.
That it? Kemar,
Yeah.
Edge water. Standard living room, computer desk, and a huge bed. And as per, we've made it a shithole. We've only been here a few hours. Found a little bar.
This top will definitely need washing.
So that was a great bar. Maribel's. If ever you're in Seabrook, Houston, call in. Very friendly. Loads of recommendations for us for places to go in New Orleans.
And great cocktails that she just made herself. And she even gave us a free drink, and it was lovely.
Yeah, off now, back to the hotel. Early night. NASA tomorrow. Excited for that one.
Continue straight, then turn right.
If you haven't gathered, today we are at the NASA Space Center, NASA Space Center Houston, and seeing some big ass rockets and shuttles.
About to go and have a look at Independence up there.
This is the plane that she was sat on.
Yeah.
Successful flights with models led to tests using an actual 747 and a prototype shuttle called Enterprise. John Kuiper's vision had become a reality built from moments of inspiration, followed by years of this remarkable partnership of an airplane and an orbiter, whose imagination solved the thorny problem of returning the shuttle to its home base. His name was John Kuiper. John Kuiper was so very...
mission control.
Now, to your right, you will see a white building. This one's Tower 5 rocket house at. This Tower 5 is one of the smallest, heaviest, and most powerful rockets ever flown. First launched in 1962. It is made up of the three pieces of the Apollo missions, Apollo 18, 19, and 20. Next day, you get to see two more rockets. The one with the red top is called the Mercury Redstone. Designed initially as an intercontinental ballistic missile, gas repurposes for keeping care of the Mercury capsule. The next one is going to be called these little...
Flight controller is gonna go for landing. Retro. Go. Vital. Go. Guidance. Go. Control. Go. Telcom. Go. GNC. Go. Ecom. Go. Surgeon. Go. Capcom, we're go for landing.
Eagle Houston, you're go for landing, over. Copy, Celtic, go. I understand, go for landing. 3,000. That's one small step for man. One giant leap for mankind.
Alright, welcome to the Space Vehicle Mock-Up Facility, hub of astronaut training. This is where the astronauts learn how to live and work in space. First item I want to draw everybody's attention to, if you look all the way down to the far right-hand side of the building, you'll see the American flag. Beneath the flag, you'll see two plaques. One is for Challenger, the other is for Columbia. Those are there just to remind us all of the sacrifices that have been made in this profession. Now, out there on the floor in front of the flag, you'll see all the modules that make up the mock-ups of the International Space Station. Now, these are what we call low-fidelity mock-ups. They're used to train the astronauts in safety protocols and locations of different items, storage bins, on board the International Space Station. Now, you'll see two Russian mock-ups.
Okay, so this huge thing is Saturn V, and it's made up of all the leftover parts from the Apollo missions after it got scrapped. So it's fully working. Well, it would have been fully working, but it's made up of, yeah, it's made up of all the parts that they didn't use from the scrapped Apollo missions. It's pretty big. That's the front, middle, and rear.
We are at Armand Bayou Nature Reserve. Just going to see what we can see. Apparently about there is alligators, squirrels, frogs, rabbits, maybe a woodpecker, maybe an alligator. We'll see what we can find. Dan's just been taking some pictures of some spiders that are over there. He's been very brave as he has terrible arachnophobia.
Disgusting.
So there is meant to be a mummigator in here somewhere. We haven't seen her. We have seen loads of spiders and dragonflies and snakes. We've only been here about 10 minutes. I'm being eaten alive by mosquitoes. I can feel myself getting ravaged by them around my ankles. Dan's over there taking some pickies. It's a lovely little place. I think it was about $5 to get in. There's loads of trails. We haven't got time to do most of them. We're just doing the Discovery Trail. It's only about half a mile. Park closes at 5. We didn't get here till 3:30 because we'd been the Space Centre. But it's really cute. These are just in a little education centre. Oh, there's a little lizard. Don't let me have another snake. Little frog.
American bison. Oh yeah. Not doing much. So we finished the day off with a little 10-minute detour down to the beach. Don't feel like you've been on holiday till you've been to a beach, do you? There's people swimming, but I don't think I'd go swimming in this. Not with the containers out in the distance, constantly going past. That one over there spewing out smoke. Okay, let's go to New Orleans.